Hey guys.
Hi.
We're here for what we're thinking is another thing from Disney.
What?
Look how big this sucker is.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? We're about to find out.
This one's a lot bigger.
Yeah, because this is probably 1.5 times the size of the box.
Yeah. What in the world?
I think. Oh, it's Doorables again.
Doorables.
Disney Doorables.
Oh my goodness.
What's in the box? A new surprise unboxing for you and your friends from
Disney Doorables Mega Stack Playsets.
Wow. If you can you see it there? Look how big this playset is.
Includes 3 Disney playsets and 1 and 3 exclusive mini collectible Disney figures with sparkling glitter eyes.
Wow.
They're available at Target, Amazon, and Walmart.com.
Thank you, Disney, for sending this to us to review.
And the Moose team.
Moose Toys.
Let's
see the box.
What?
Look at
What is?
something loose inside it. There's. Oh, what is this? What is this?
Uh-oh.
Oh my God! Is that Mickey?
What?
That's Mickey. Look at Mickey.
See him.
What is that? These are the. Oh wait, when we got the Doorables, this is different because the Doorables before were complete. Like it was Moana's hut or whatever it was.
This is like a little surprise.
This little Mickey.
Oh no, it's a little figurine.
Is that Geppetto?
Oh my goodness.
Is that a little Geppetto?
It is.
Look at Geppetto.
Oh my goodness. Keep pulling out?
Yeah, keep pulling out.
Holy moly.
I think from what you read, this looks like there's more than what you read.
I think so.
Here's another stackable.
Do you want to open that one?
Well, let's pull everything out and then we'll. Who's that?
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. Look at Pinocchio.
Look at Pinocchio. Just pulling all these houses out first.
Wow.
All these houses, you can stack them and build. I'm pulling all those out first.
Yeah, because on this thing here, it was showing a all the stacks.
Oh
wow.
My goodness.
And they said we only had a couple?
Oh.
What is that?
Frozen.
Is that Arendelle? Is that what it's called in Frozen? Oh, is that Elsa?
Yes. Look at this.
I'm trying to. You keep moving it.
Oh, sorry. Can you get her? Oh.
Is this part of it too, right? This goes on top?
But watch. You can down the slide. How fun is that?
Just a kid at heart.
That is so fun. That is really fun.
Wow, that can go sit up on top if you wanted it to.
Right, so it looks
is that everything on top?
That's everything on top, and we got some extra little characters. These cute little boxes. What's a
pan? So who has a frying pan? Who is that?
He's from Zootopia. Any of these wrong, somebody let us know. I'm not really sure who this is.
It's a guy, right? Is it a guy?
Set him on top of this box.
I'll set him up here. I'll set him up here with Elsa. Let's see if we can see this guy.
Little guy comes with a little
base. Because you need to stick them on something.
Yeah,
because they're.
Pinocchio fell over.
Pinocchio. Who is this? Pinocchio.
Pinocchio.
I'm gonna stick his butt on there. Look at that.
This is exciting.
It's like Christmas time.
It is like Christmas, like opening those little boxes and little bags. So this looks...
Oh wait, that's Donkio Pinocchio.
Aww.
And okay, let's see. We got Donkio. See how she's getting me talking now? Aww. All right.
Wow.
That's pretty. Hold on.
So cool.
That's what wasn't even said
in the box.
Because what did it say we had? We had like 3 things.
Yeah.
That's more than 3.
Look at their...
That's 6 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters.
And they all have the little glittery eyes. And all of them have like the little doors that you can open.
Because they're adorable.
Yeah. But, I mean, you stack them up And you can play from the front side or
'Cause
the
you'll see 'em
back
there.
side. You can stack them up. This is so exciting. What is this? Oh my goodness.
Oh, we got 2 Frozen sets.
Look at this.
The Mad Hatter's Tea Shop.
That is so cool.
Belle's Bookshop. So it's got the Mad Hatter. It's got Belle. And it's got Elsa's Ice Rink. So this is Elsa's Ice Rink.
Wow.
3 exclusive figures.
Behind every door is a surprise in store.
So let's see what the...
Let's look at the back.
You see how they connect?
These are so cool.
Oh, look, the slide's even longer than what...
Oh.
So there must be a piece where it pops out.
Yeah, you can add on to it.
We'll figure that out. Look at that.
But that's fun, though, because they can go from, like, different worlds, almost, you know, like... different...
Connect your world.
Yeah.
Welcome to the world of Disney Doorables, where behind every door is
I didn't even
surprises in
see
store.
that, yeah.
Mix, match, and stack to build the ultimate adventure in storytelling. Imagine all the possibilities and surprises you will find as you embark on a great new adventure. Open the doors to find secret reveals and connect the pieces to expand your world. How cool is that?
Pause for a second and try to get this open.
Yeah, because this will take a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, we've gotten this much. See, look at the back of the box. We've gotten that together. But I'm looking and I see, hey, I've got ideas. Let me try to get this in there right. You can do this, look. Let's take this roof off.
Put that guy there. They literally just like pop on.
And put this roof here. I don't know. I don't know if it's a good sit or what. Let me,
And you don't have to worry about,
Look.
oh yeah.
and you can actually see this over here.
I mean, you can put them any which way you want
See
to.
the slide right here? It pops up.
I can't see it.
It pops up. The door shuts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what if I did this? Hey, let me connect it like that. As you can see, I didn't connect it correctly right there, but
I mean, that is fun. They can be, I mean, kids can be so creative. Did you show them the slide part again?
Alright, so you pop the door down.
At the hidden door.
You see a slide in there.
You see a slide.
Well, you pull it.
You pull it out,
There's a slide.
and it goes all
Let's see
the way
what
down.
Pinocchio can do.
Well, you gotta open the door for him to go down first.
I'm in the back of the house. I didn't see the door.
Okay. Here he goes.
Up he's got a big head. It's stuck.
Oh, Pinocchio, come on. There you go.
His glittery eyes.
Yeah, that's the part I'm not sure about. I mean, I like the accessories, but they're so tiny.
Like maybe have the accessories built in.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think kids might lose them, but I love Belle's. It's, you can see the rose, and then it has like the glass dome that you can put just right over top of it. And Belle, she had a little thing out to the side that I put her on.
It's, you know, like she was saying, some of them like the meter. Is that a meter maid maybe?
I don't know what
Or,
it is exactly.
You know?
That's one thing I'd like more, like a description and maybe of like what these little things are. Like if you don't know, like I'm not sure.
The first set we got it
what
told
that
you who
is.
the people were.
Yeah.
This one didn't come with anything.
Yeah. Let's turn it around though.
Hold on. I'm gonna do it in pieces.
Tea, please. I mean, but any little kid's gonna like how tall you can stack them and play from the back. It's just,
And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 play sets. It don't take up any room.
I mean, so each little thing, you get your little house, and then you get a character. So that's a pretty good deal.
It's really good.
Those little eyes, those glittery eyes. Geppetto, he doesn't want to stand up. Let's stand him back up. There we go.
But it's pretty cool. Let's see if I can swing them
Yeah,
around
turn this one
without
around.
destroying the town.
So you can play on either side. And I also like it that each one comes with a little door. And the detail. I mean, look at the detail.
It's adorable.
It's adorable.
No, it's adorable.
Yes, I got it.
We got 2 ice skating rings, so now we don't have to fight over this one.
Oh, because we would. I just think that's so clever that it has a slide.
Oh yeah.
That's so fun.
So, all in all, What do you think?
I think it's fun. I think children would enjoy it. The only thing is the little
The pieces, yeah.
the little pieces that come with it. Kids are gonna, I think, lose them.
Because this is how small they are.
Yeah.
This is the big pieces. This is the figures.
Those eyes,
They're glittery eyes.
they draw you in. But I like how you can just mix and match.
Mix and match them, yeah.
And just play. Be very creative. I think that's good. And it's fun to open up a package and not know what's in there.
It's like Christmas.
Yeah. But it is fun that each little house you get a figurine.
Yeah.
So kids will like that.
Can we recommend it? Yeah.
I would recommend it. I think it's
Yeah.
fun.
Christmas is coming up. It's a pretty good idea.
I think all the little Disney characters are fun. They're so cute. So tell us what you think. I mean, do you have it? Do you play with them? What
And if
do you
know
like?
who this guy is, this little owl,
I think he's from Zootopia.
he probably is, but I'm asking
Let
him
us know
you
if
know
we're
who-
right, if I'm right or wrong.
Put in the comments if you know who it is.
But thank you again to Disney and to Moose Toys. This is so much fun. I felt like it was like being a kid.
And we had to wait a day or so to open it because we were so busy, and we were
Right.
like, let's.
I was
let's
like,
get this
hurry
done.
up, let's see what's in there. That's a huge box.
Yeah.
But thank you so much. Thank you for watching this.
Don't waste a day. Every day's a gift.
Bye.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.